You've probably tried to stand your ground and trade with the guy who rushes you. Or you keep backing up until you hit the ropes. But the cleaner answer is a small step back that makes him fall into a rib shot on your timing, not his. Here's why it works. When an aggressive opponent charges, his weight goes forward and his feet start chasing his hands. That forward weight makes his head harder to hit clean, because it's bobbing and arriving fast. But it also stretches his torso. His elbows float away from his ribs for a split second so he can swing. If you take a short step back at the moment his lead foot lands, his punch falls short, his guard opens, and his ribs are parked in front of your hip. You're not retreating, you're creating a miss, and you're stealing the beat after it. Trick 1. Step back on his lead foot drop, then dig the rear hand to the ribs. Keep it tight like a spear, palm facing you, elbow in. Don't load up. Your step back gives you the space, your hip gives you the power. Example. He rushes behind a wide left hook. As his lead foot slaps the floor, you slide your rear foot back 6 inches, his hook whiffs across your face, and your rear hand shoots straight into the near side ribs before he can reload. Trick 2. Step back, then shovel hook under his elbow. This is for the guy who keeps his hands high but his elbows drift. The shovel hook is a short, rising hook that goes into the lower ribs. Your knuckles travel up, not around. Example. He storms in throwing straight punches. You step back as his jab falls short, his right hand is still extended, and you drop your weight slightly and shovel hook into his right side ribs under the elbow. Then your head is already off the center as you exit. Trick 3. Step back, plant, and turn your lead foot to change the angle before you dig. The turn is small. It makes his chest face past you, so one rib line is exposed. Example. He bull rushes with a high guard. You step back, then pivot just outside his lead shoulder. Now his elbows are pointed the wrong way, and you rip the body shot into the open side while he's still walking forward. To train it, do 2 rounds on the heavy bag where every combo starts with a micro step back and ends with a rib shot, focusing on timing the bag's return, like an opponent's entry. Then do partner entry drills. Your partner walks you down with light punches. You're only allowed 1 step back and 1 body shot before you reset. In sparring, pick 1 round where your only goal is to land that step back rib shot off his rush. Over time, the rusher stops rushing because every entry costs him air.